good evening. So just going to take a recap of what's happened today so far, and it has been a relatively quiet session in terms of news flow. However, we have come under a bit of selling pressure today, so US equity markets finishing in the red today. Now, in terms of comments, we did see sources say that for funding boost to the IMF, this is more likely to be June. Originally, it was scheduled to be on the agenda for the April meeting, so this follows on from where European ministers agreed to boost the EFSF and ESM combined lending capacity. Next step for that was boosting the IMF's resources, so this now looks to be delayed until June. One of the main hurdles for this is the increase in voting rights for those emerging nations. Now, we've also had the US 3-year note auction today, so that came in slightly lower bid to cover than the previous one with a slightly higher yield, so it was a fairly okay auction, but nothing spectacular out of the US. But in terms of news flow, that's pretty much it for the day. Looking ahead to tomorrow, we do have those weekly Department of Energy inventory numbers, so that'll be key to the energy markets. Today we did see a bit of volatility in those after news that Iran had halted some of its exports to several European countries and may halt it to further European countries as well. We've also got a lot of Fed speakers. Lockhart's due on the wires quite a few times tomorrow. We've also got ECB's Costa and ECB's Coer. And in terms of fixed income tomorrow, we have the German Bund auction, so that'll be the main point of focus for fixed income markets. And we've also got Italian T-bills as well. But for the time being, that's enough from me. We'll see you tomorrow morning, but hope you have a very pleasant evening in the meantime.